Hello, teacher. My name is Angelica Guerrero, and this is the answers and questions about Task 7. Question number 1. What are your plans for the weekend? Well, this weekend I have many things to make. First, I'm going to do the chores in my house, do the shopping. Later, I have a meeting of English classes and need advance with the jobs of the university. On Sunday, I will share the break with my family. We will go to the church and will make our favorite activity, watch the movies and eat popcorn. I hope the time will be long, for I can make all that I shall make. Number 2. What is your job or study routine? My day starts at 4:30 a.m. First, I get up very early. I prepare breakfast and lunch around at 4:45 a.m. I take a shower and have breakfast before coming out of my house. I go out for my work at 5:50 a.m. I arrive at my job at 6 o'clock because I am a teacher of primary school and the day starts very early. The classes start at 6:15 a.m. to 2 p.m. But by the pandemic, we are working to 12:30. All days on weekdays, I study from 6 or 5 p.m. to 9 or 10 p.m., depending of the meeting of the different subjects. Generally, on weekends, I study English and I like to take advantage of this time for reinforcing my listening in English, watching videos, and listening to pop music. Number 3. What sports do you practice? I don't practice a specific sport because I don't be good at them. But a few times a week, I use the climber machine and practice yoga. It is a sport to low impact for my knees. A good days I tried to run with my work partners, but this was not good for me, and I should have cancelled this activity. Mm, Yoga is a physical activity that seeks the harmonious balance of the body, breathing, and relaxation, adopting different postures in which the muscles of the body are stretched and flexibility and body posture are improved. Number 4. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to Canada to know their culture and visit my best friend. I would love to visit the Niagara Falls in Toronto and visit the Capilano Suspension Bridge, which are very beautiful tourist attractions. The beautiful place that they have, maybe I live there permanently. Another country is England, the USA, or other countries of English language because I want to get better and practice my English. Though in England, I will visit the Harry Potter tour at Warner Bros. Because I consider myself a fan of this saga. The Sea Leaf London Aquarium is a mandatory tourist visit to explore the world and marine fauna. Have seen it in forest and it is an amazing place. Thank you, teacher.